Is this seat taken?
Oh, no, go ahead.
Thanks. I'm Mia. By the way, it's my first day here.
Leo, same here. I'm trying to figure out where my locker is.
Tell me about it. This school is huge. I'm pretty sure I've walked past the same classroom 3 times already.
Haha, I know, right? I'm just hoping I don't walk into the wrong class.
That's my biggest fear. What class do you have first?
English with Mr. Harrison.
No way. Me too. At least we can be lost together.
Sounds like a plan. So, where did you move from?
I moved here from a small town upstate. It's a big change.
I get that. I just moved from the city. Everything is so green here.
You'll get used to it. The peace and quiet is a nice bonus. What about you? What was the city like?
Loud and busy, but I miss the food. There was this little pizza place on my corner. Best I've ever had.
I'm a big foodie. We'll have to find a good pizza place around here to see if it compares.
Deal. So, besides getting lost, what do you think of the school so far?
It seems nice. The people look friendly, I guess. I'm a little nervous about making new friends.
You and me both. It's tough starting over where you don't know anyone.
Exactly! Back at my old school, I was on the soccer team and in the art club. It was easy to know people.
You play soccer? That's cool. I'm more of a tech guy. I was in the coding club and on the robotics team.
A tech guy. Huh? So you can probably build a robot to navigate these hallways for us.
Haha, maybe, but I'd need the school's blueprints first. What kind of art do you do?
I mostly paint landscapes. Mostly. My old town had a lot of inspiration.
I bet. The green you mentioned. I'm more into digital art and graphic design. Maybe you could show me some of your paintings sometime.
I'd like that. And you could show me some of your digital stuff. It's always cool to see another artist's work.
Definitely. Hey, what does Mr. Harrison teach? I heard he's tough.
My cousin had him last year. She said he's strict but fair. And he loves classic literature. So, get ready to read some Shakespeare.
Shakespeare. Great. I was hoping for something a little more modern. But hey, at least we're in it together.
That's the spirit. We can be each other's study buddies.
Sounds good to me. It'll be nice to know at least one person in class.
Well, now you know one. Look, the bell's about to ring. We should probably try to find the classroom.
Yeah, you're right. Let's go. I think it's this way. Or maybe that way.
Haha, let's just pick a direction and hope for the best. Lead the way. City boy.
All right, follow me. Let's see if my internal GPS is working today.